everyone, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if this is your first time here, which I'm really happy that you found me. Please consider to subscribe to the channel so you can join the family. My name is Michelin. I focus on fashion and lifestyle, and today's video is quick but super fun. We are going to do a luxury unboxing. We are going to open the Jacquemus bag. I've been wanting this bag since last year, but don't ask me why I didn't get it. I finally have it, so I didn't want to open it without you guys. I want to do it with you, so here we are. But I want to say though, just a quick tip: if you are in the market to buy any luxury good, please do your research, because different sites, different prices, and we know that we are dealing with inflation. So even though things are really high right now, some sites can really skyrocket prices, so do your research. I was able to get my bag for $300 less than Farfetch, which was really like, wow, you know, I was happy about it. Like, we are all trying to save our money as much as we can, right? So yeah, I really want to throw it out there before we jump into the unboxing. Now this video will be a very first time impression type of video, as I will open it with you on camera. I don't know what the bag looks like. We'll actually really see it together. So without taking too much, let's dive into the video. This is what the box looks like. As you can see, it's still closed. And I forgot to mention that it only took 3 days to come, and that was like, wow, that was really cool. I didn't even pay for the shipping, you know, so I'm thinking, okay, that's already a plus. I might continue to buy from you directly. But yeah, here's the box. So we're going to open it. It has this little thing right here. I need to hide my address, not like you care, but yeah, this little thing right here. See, which makes it super easy. Like, I don't even need the scissors to open it. And another thing, before we see really what it looks like, this box is so light. Honestly, I was like, oh my gosh. Because the bag on Instagram and of course online, it looks quite not big, you know, it's medium-ish, but to me, I thought it has some weight to it, but it is super light, which is a good thing, right? So here's the inside. This comes in here. So I'm not sure what this is, but just like a card. It has the Jacquemus name at the back and the splash. I think the splash is from the last from the last season they showed in Hawaii. I think that's what it was called, the splash. Oh, lo splash in French, which is just like splash of water, which makes sense because they were in Hawaii. So it says Jacquemus. Let's see what's inside. So sweet. Hopefully you can see. It says merci, which is basically thank you. I know many people know what merci means, so just say thank you, which is, it's so sweet. I really do appreciate things like this. I know you guys, if you've been watching my videos for a minute, you know I always talk about details. Details are so important. It shows to the customer that you put effort and time into that, you appreciate your service, you know, because without your customers, you'll be anything. Just like you guys, without you watching my videos, I wouldn't be making these videos, you know. So it's very important to show appreciation. I really appreciate it. So pretty much this is just the receipt. This is the return slip, just in case I don't like it and I want to return, I'll use it. And then at the back it's just return policy. I'm sorry guys, I don't know if you guys can see it because it looks so bright. I'm not sure why. I'm not even using any light. I'm just literally using the natural light from outside. And another thing I forgot to mention, there wasn't any tax. This is my first time buying something directly from France, from here, because usually my sister will make a purchase for me, since over there in France she lives there. So this is different. No tax on it. We love it. They also give you this in case you want to return. So I have it. So this is the bag. You can see down here, Jacquemus. We love it. We love it. I really like the dust bag. The color of it is nice. Ta-da! Okay, now this is weird, because the bag in itself is quite heavy, not that heavy, but a little bit compared to when it was in the box. I know this doesn't make any sense, which is very bizarre. I did expect the bag to be lighter than this, so I don't know, just very weird. The dust bag is so sturdy, if that makes sense, which is very weird. I like it though, I really do appreciate it, because you want the bag to be protected, and this one will protect your bag. I'm not sure what fabric this is, but it's, wow, it's so sturdy. That's good. You see this right here, you can close it. We like it. Oh my gosh, this is the bag. She's so small. Oh, I did imagine it would be bigger, because like I said, I went with the Grand Bambino, and it looked, we know it's not big, but I kind of thought it was going to be a little bit bigger than that. Oh, the Grand Reveal. Here she is. Isn't she just beautiful? Oh, I hate that my lighting is not acting right. It's too bright. I don't understand. I'm so sorry, guys. But oh my gosh, I need to come closer. You see this? Jacquemus. She is pretty. She is nice. She is beautiful. Yes, guys, I love it. Oh my gosh, isn't she pretty? Honestly, as I am looking at the camera, the bag looks bigger, which explains why I thought it would be bigger than that. But right here with me in real life, it's smaller. So if you are in the market to buy this bag, keep that in mind. It looks bigger on camera. It has this little pocket at the back. It's not big, just a little. Don't force it. I'm thinking you can just put like your little card if you must. And it has this flap right here. Now we all know it's leather, right? But this leather is so, I don't know if I should say thick or hard, because it's hard for me to open it, and I don't want to force it. It's hard. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's the strap for whenever you want to wear it as a crossbody. Let's see what it looks like. So this is what it comes as once you hook it. Really cute. Nice, I love it. And this is a little note for authenticity, you know, make sure that it's real. And that's it. Yeah, it's a nice little bag. I like it. Really, I love it because you can take this off for a casual look, and I mean, you can keep this on for a casual look and take it off for a more evening and dressy look. It's really nice. Y'all let me know if you're going to have one, how you like yours and how you wear it. And as you can see, I went with color white because I was in the market for a white bag. I feel like I have so many, I really don't wear colors. I'm more like nude and neutral colors. I want a white bag, so I'm happy that I have it. It's really pretty. I love it. You guys let me know how you like it down in the comment section. So guys, as I told you, this will be a short video. I hope it wasn't too long for you. We came at the end of the video. Thank you so much for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please guys, give it a thumbs up, comment, like and share. Also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I will see you next time. Stay safe. Thank you again for watching. Bye.